Section 2. Universal Prime Energy, Give and Take Action, and the Four-Position Foundation. God, the creator of all things, is the absolute reality, eternal, self-existent, and transcendent of time and space. The fundamental energy of God's being is also eternal, self-existent, and absolute. It is the origin of all energies and forces that allow created beings to exist. We call this fundamental energy universal prime energy. Give and take action. Through the agency of universal prime energy, the subject and object elements of every entity form a common base and enter into interaction. This interaction, in turn, generates all the forces the entity needs to exist, multiply, and act. The interaction generating these forces through this process is called give and take action. The Four-Position Foundation, which realizes the three-object purpose through origin, division, union, action. The process in which out of God, the origin, two entities are separately manifested and reunited in oneness is called origin, division, union, action. Three-object purpose. Any of the four positions resulting from the origin, division, union action, namely the origin, subject, partner, and any of the four positions resulting from the origin, division, union action, namely any of the four positions resulting from the origin, division, union action, namely the origin, subject, partner, and object partner and their union, may assume the position of subject partner and engage the other three as its object partners, forming a communion of three object partners. When each of the four then acts as the subject partner and enters into give and take with the other three, they fulfill the three-object purpose. The Four-Position Foundation. When the origin, the subject partner, and object partner projected from the origin and their union all fulfill the three-object purpose, the Four-Position Foundation is established. This foundation is, number 1, root of the principle of three stages, because it involves three stages of God, husband and wife and children. 2, root of the number 12, because as each of the four takes on three object partners, 12 object partners are created. 3, fundamental foundation of goodness and realization of God's purpose of creation. 4, fundamental foundation for the life of all beings, providing all the forces necessary for their existence. The Four-Position Foundation is God's eternal purpose of creation.